Yeah, there's several factors that impact the cost of restaurant insurance. Mainly, it's based on your revenue. Obviously, a restaurant that's doing $5 million in revenues is going to have a lot more customers, a lot more risks of having a claim than a restaurant that's doing 500,000, has less customers, smaller space. So that's the number one generator of premium for a restaurant. There's also a lot of other factors. The experience, how much experience, how long has the restaurant been open? If it's a new venture, what experience do the owners and the managers have? Did they work someplace else for 10 years? Do they have any type of culinary degree? So the underwriters like to look at that to see who they're insuring. Any information we can give them as far as your history and experience always helps the underwriters with the premium. There's a lot of other factors. The location, of course, the hours of operation. Is it a late night operation? Is it closed at 11 o'clock? Is it a family restaurant? And the biggest thing that we have control over is the history, the loss history, and the claims. If you've been open for a couple of years and you've had no claims, we can go out to different markets and we could look, and now people want your business. You can be more competitive. If you're open for a few years and you have several claims, it's a little bit harder to get you a good rate. And one thing I recommend: insurance is there for the big losses that are going to affect your business. That are gonna affect you from staying open. I just had someone call me the other day. They wanted to make a claim. It was $1,700 was their loss, and I talked it through with them. Got $1,000 deductible. You're gonna wind up getting $700. Now you're gonna have a claim, and now another big loss comes in the same policy year, and you have two losses, and that really can affect your renewal. The company may not decide to renew, so you just have to keep in mind that the purpose of insurance is for the big losses that's going to really affect your business operations, and not for every little thing. So I know some people get upset, I pay so much money in insurance, but you just have to keep in mind it's there for the large losses to keep you in business when there's a catastrophic loss.